We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning, friends. This is the subject in any thermal engineering semester 1, experimental technique and instrumentation in thermal engineering. In this subject, one of the module is advanced measurement technique and analysis. Myself, PATEL, JIGNESH, assistant professor in MAHATMA Institute of Technical Education and Research Center. So these are some of the content which we have already covered in the previous lecture, but this is the last one topic I have to cover: spectrometry, how it can be works and what is the usefulness of the spectrometry. So we will start over there. Now, spectrometry is the analytical tool which is to determine of the masses of different compounds in a sample. If we are taking one of the sample, how much amount of the mass of the sum contain, we can find out by this analytical spectrometry method. This technique, which is the useful for identifying and quantifying the compound in a mixture, which can be include detecting of impurity sample or in a sample, or determine the mixture of proteins in a cell sample. It also for measuring the mass to charge ratio of ions. Now, these are the process which can be described in a 3 manner. First one is the ionization, second one ion separation and detection. So whatever we sample, we have to getting from that. Its primary requirement is a conductive sources will be there. So ion sources will be provided. So it can be ionized. First one. Now next one is ion separation. So after ionization, we have to separate out. So this one is the, and last one is the detection. Now how it can be working whenever we are getting some sample. So what will happen, laser is the source of the sample. Now what will happen, this can be energized, and due to this electric field generator, we have to ionize the whole sample. Then what will happen after that, we can see over there, we can see that this one is the sample can be ionized by this electrical field generator. This one is electrical field generator. After passing through the electric field generator, we can see that can be ionized over there. This one is the sample can be ionized and compound over there. So different ionization which can be created the sum of the group, and last process which is the detector. So first one is ionization, second one is separation over there, and last one is detector. So ultimately how it can be, this one is the sample in solution. So we can spray over there sample, whatever sample we have to spray over there, and that sample can be passing through this ionization chamber. So we have to ionize over there. So charge can be, then it can be differentiate over there. It can be created some ions which has a group can be created. Now in the detector, it can be simplified how much amount of ion. We can see that at the detector we have to different kind of the ionization group will be getting in a detection. So we can see that from mass spectrometry, which is given the mass to charge ratio, how much in a whole sample, how much amount of some impurity we have to find out, how much impurity will be there. So by this method we have to analytically measure how much spectrometry over there. Thank you for watching.